Welcome back, guys. So in today's video, I'm not going to take much of your time. I just want to show you guys how to catch multiple spikes, trading boom and crash. I'll show you how to catch multiple spikes and make much money for yourself. I want you guys to make money, and if all of us to make money, it's my passion to see us grow, and it makes me even happier to see that my strategies are helping you guys grow some more. So do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, drop a review when it be, turn on your notification bell so that when I post new videos, you will be notified and you will come and help yourself with my strategies, guys. So like I said, I'm not gonna keep you guys waiting. I don't even have the time to really do a very long video, so I'm just gonna go straight to the point. So yeah, before that though, a lot of people have come in my inbox on WhatsApp. I know I like to drop my WhatsApp link so that all of you can anybody who has challenges can just reach out to me directly. So people have been coming asking why they don't get to catch um, spikes even when they watch a couple of spike strategies on YouTube and all of that. Trust me, are um, if you are trading boom and crash and you apply price action, you'll be very very profitable. If you apply price action with those indicators that your people that other people show you, trust me, to make more sense. So it's very important that you know price action is very important. That is how I make money, trading boom and crash. I usually use price action. I'm not going to lie to any of you. I'm not going to try to make you feel like these strategies are all. See, I add price action, and that's the bottom line, guys. It's very important that you know price action. So what I usually advise everyone is, make sure that you follow the trend. Do not trade against the trend, guys. Do not trade against the trend. Make sure that you follow the trend and you'll be good. Apply price action, know your support and resistance, and you'll be good. So for more information on that, guys, if you are new, you don't know anything about that, you can just I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number on this description of this post here. I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number so that you can chat me directly. I can guide you guys. I'm here to guide you guys. That's the real reason why I'm here. So you can indulge, you can chat me up, engage. Let me know your challenges. So that I can be able to help you guys. So yeah, we'll go straight to the video. I don't want to waste any time because time is not by my side. So this video is to show you guys how to catch spikes like a professional. Multiple spikes. You can make hundreds of dollars. You can make up to like $500 daily. It's very possible, guys. It's very possible. So we are going to be needing a couple of indicators, to make everything solid. We'll be adding up to like 6 indicators that will confirm the market before we make a decision. But before you believe totally in your indicator, trust me, you need to first of all believe in the trend. You need to be able to know the trend. You need to see the trend. So what I do usually is I go to higher time frame. I check. This is crash 1000. So I check to see if I check to know my trend, to know where the market is headed, and okay, this is crash 1000, and boom, we are on a downtrend. Which means you will have many opportunities to catch spikes here, because the market is going to the downside and you are looking to catch spikes to the downside, right? So yeah, okay. So as you can see, on a higher time frame, we are actually on a downtrend. You can see the series of lower lows. So that makes it certain that we are going to be seeing a lot of spikes. So you go back to your lower time frame, and then I'm going to show you the settings of these indicators, right? But before then, let me show you how they work. So you're going to monitor the market. When you see your indicators converge at this level, the 80 and 90 level, that means the market is overbought at this level, right? And then you are going to be expecting a spike to the downside, like what happened here. This is it. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple, guys. So we can keep going, back testing. This is another one. Mark the indicators converged at this level, and then this spike happened. You see that? Imagine how much money you can make from here, guys. Imagine how much money you can make from there. This is for crash, though. This is for crash, so you can keep back testing. This is another spike. Okay, let me use this. This is another. The price came to this level here. The price came to 80 or 90 level, and then the spike happened to the downside. This happens every time, long as you are on the right trend. It happens every time, long as you are in the right trend. And then another one here, guys. Another one here. Price came to this level. The indicators converge here, sorry, and then boom to the downside, guys. This is a lot of money you could be making from this market. You just need to know how to do this stuff, and it's very simple. This is another spike here. This is another spike. We can keep back testing. You know what? Whenever you see, just be looking at this video. Whenever you see a spike, you check the indicator window and see where the indicators are converged at. You will see that what I'm saying is true. Whenever I see a spike like this one now, this is it. See this spike? Now go look at this side. You see the indicators are here on this level. That's why you are seeing this spike here, guys. That's why you're seeing this spike here. But then remember that your trend is very important. This is it. Another one. The spike here happened because all the indicators are at this level, guys. Are at this level. So trust me, you make a lot of money. This is it. You see this spike here? Why is that spike? Simple, because all the indicators have converged at this level. That means the next thing that's going to happen is a spike, guys. It's a spike. You can catch multiple spikes. You can make $200, $300, $400 daily, depending on how much time you have to sit down in your system and trade and make this money. So this works directly opposite for boom. It works directly opposite for boom. I'm going to show you guys. This is boom. This is boom 500. And always remember to check your higher time frame to be sure of the trend, to know what's going on, what's the market doing, where is it going to, what direction is it going to, and then you'll be able to confidently enter your trades because you know where the market is headed, right? So in this case, boom 500, we are on an uptrend. You can see we are on an uptrend. It's very obvious. This is why you need to understand price action, guys. So don't be shy. Just come to me, talk to me about it, and I will be able to guide you. I'm going to drop my link. I'm going to drop my WhatsApp link on the description of this video, so that you can tell me whatever challenges you are facing, and I'll be able to guide you. You can also enroll in my mentorship program. It's a one-time payment that will take you for life, and I'll be able to show you everything. I'll teach you everything that I know about trading Forex, trading Forex market, boom and crash, VIX and all of that indices. I'll teach you everything, even currency pairs, guys. I'll teach you how to trade currencies. I'll teach you how to do this stuff. It's very simple. You don't really need to stress to make money from Forex. You just need to have the right mentorship, and and we're good. So yeah, after I've checked my higher time frame, you've seen that we're on uptrend. That's a good one. So we are going to be having spikes to the upside, right? So in this case, right, you wait for market to converge at the lower level. You wait for market to converge at this lower level, right? The 20, the 10 level, before you take a buy to the upside. And if you notice, it happens almost every time the indicators converge at the lower level. It happens almost every time. Like here, we had a spike here. This is it. It came to the 20 level, and then there was a spike, right? There was a spike. That's it. That's it. There are very numerous examples I can show you guys here. So you just keep back testing. Advice for you to use your demo. Don't do this on your live account until you are comfortable with it. Practice this strategy on your demo. Once you are comfortable, you can go make money, make a lot of money from your live account. So this is another example. Price came to this level, converged here, and then this was a spike. It was a spike to the upside. Markets keeps doing this over and over again. So these things are very simple, guys. You just need the right mentorship, and you're good. Converge here, indicators converged here, and then price went to the upside. So let me go ahead. I don't want this video to be very long, guys. Let me go ahead and show you how I set this up. And as for people who don't know how to set up indicators, because I've had people ask me, I've had newbies ask me how to set up indicators, guys. This is it. You just click on this. This is it, guys. For the newbies though, just click on this F sign here. See that symbol F here? Click on that, and you see your indicators will come out, or you're going to see your main chart. You're going to see the indicator window, and then for this strategy, we don't need any indicator on the main chart. You just need to add indicators on your indicator window, and then the first indicator to add is the relative strength index here. So please do me a favor, screenshot this. I don't want the video to be long. Screenshot the settings so that you can set it up for yourself after now. Remember, the levels are important. The levels are important. So these are the levels that I use for my own. Description, you can choose to add anything. I either add max and minimum, or sorry about that. Or I just add boom, crash. You can just leave it there. It doesn't really matter. What matters are the levels, guys. So screenshot this, and once you are done with that, you just simply click done. Period is 12. Apply to close. Styles to pixel. You can choose any color of your choice, but always leave it bright so that it can be visible for you to see. So done with that, you click done, and then click that F symbol again, and add Ichimoku. You can see the settings. Please screenshot it. I don't want to waste anybody's time. Screenshot it, and then set it up later. Once you've done setting up, you click done, and then you click that F sign again. You are going to be needing 5 moving averages here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first moving average, the period is you set it period 5 moving average here. Shift to 0. Method should be simple. Apply to close. You can see the styles to pixel. Choose any color of your choice. Leave it bright. If you're using a dark theme background like mine, leave it black. Leave it bright. Choose any color, but make it bright so they can see your screen. Screenshot these things and set it up later, please. So after that, you click done. You add the second moving average. Period 4. Shift 0. Method simple. Apply to close. Styles, you can see the color. Choose any color of your choice, but leave it bright. Screenshot it. It's very important. You can just pause it and screenshot it, and then click done when you are finished setting up. Click that F sign again. Add the third one. The only thing you are going to be changing is the period. So this is the 3 period moving average. You change this and change the color. right? Always use colors that are visible. So after that, you click done, you add the other one, the second one. Yep, two period. You can see this. Please screenshot it, click done, add the last one period moving average here. You see the setting, you see the color, click done, and we are good. So that's it for this strategy, guys. I don't want this video to be very long. I'm going to cut it here. So I hope you practice it, perfect it before you initiate it on your live account. This is a very powerful strategy, and I trust you guys are going to make the most of it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. It's very important that you do that, because if you don't, I won't even know if people are really seeing this. I want to see us grow. That's the essence of doing this stuff. So I want to see all of us grow. So we are going to help each other grow. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that when I post another video, you'll be the first to be notified. Also, drop good reviews. My strategies are good and very simple and straightforward. A lot of people have been coming to my WhatsApp to tell me how they've been making money using my strategies, and I'm proud of it. I'm proud of it. I just needed to bring the reviews down here. Just drop good reviews, thumbs up, encourage me to do more, guys. Thank you very much for your time. Do well to subscribe. It's very important for you to subscribe. Thank you.